Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus GarageBand and figure out which free audio editing software is best in 2025. If you're starting music production or podcasting, this guide will help you pick the right tool. Audacity is open source and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's great for recording, basic editing, and applying simple effects. Its interface is straightforward, but it can feel outdated, and advanced features like virtual instruments or modern loops are limited. GarageBand, on the other hand, is Apple's free audio suite. It offers multi-track recording, built-in instruments, loops, and intuitive editing tools. Its polished interface makes it easy for beginners and hobbyists to create music or podcasts quickly, but it's only available on Mac and iOS. The main difference comes down to platform and features. Audacity is universal and simple. GarageBand is Mac only but offers more creative tools for music production. So that's Audacity versus GarageBand in 2025. If you want cross-platform simplicity, Audacity is solid. But if you're on Mac and want more creative features, GarageBand is the better choice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.